The website has two different types of user, each with different permissions for what they can see and edit. Managers are able to make changes to mobile services such as activating call bars, creating and managing groups, activating SIMs, viewing statistics, setting usage alerts and their associated thresholds, suspending services and blacklisting handsets, and also configuring call forwarding amongst other things. They can also create other Manage My Mobile users. Reporter View will allow the user to view usage statistics and alerts, create people and groups on Manage My Mobiles, and allocate mobile numbers. Once your provider has set up access for you, you'll get an email with instructions on how to log in. Once you log in, you'll see this page. You can see the navigation menu along the top, which will navigate to the different areas of the website. On the dashboard, you can see a quick view of your company usage, how many people, mobile numbers, and groups the company has. You can see notifications here too, such as usage alerts. There's a list of quick tasks here which provide shortcuts to carry these out. If you have any mobile numbers allocated to your company but not allocated to people, you will see the count of those numbers here. Clicking any of the picture buttons on the top takes you to the corresponding tab. Let's head to the people page. From here you can add people to the company and manage that person's details and settings. Within the summary tab you can activate that person's SIM, manage their network settings, and configure call forwarding. You can also set up this person with access to Manage My Mobiles or resend their invitation if they're already invited. You can see the usage filtered to this specific person here too. The Groups page lets you add and manage groups. To add people to groups, click the cog and then Manage. You can then add an existing or new person to a group. A lot of these options are available when on the people or group pages. For example, you can create a new person from within the Groups page and vice versa. You can see the tabs available within each group up here. From this page you can add people to this particular group and search for people within the group. If you need to move multiple people at once, tick the box next to their name and click Move Selected and choose which group you want to move them to. When you add a person to a group, their mobile service inherits the properties of that group. The settings we saw for a person can be applied at a group level. You can apply usage alerts at a group level too. You can use groups for organising by department or cost centre or however you wish. The numbers page lists all the mobile numbers allocated to your company. You can see the status of the number and who it's allocated to and search for numbers here too. Clicking the cog allows you to suspend the number so that no calls, messages or data can be used. You may also wish to blacklist the handset if the phone is lost or stolen. When the phone is blacklisted, it will not be usable again on any network. You can allocate or unallocate numbers and view the service settings currently applied to each number too. If the number is allocated to a person that's part of a group, you have the option to override the group settings if you want different settings for that specific person. You can also activate a new number from here. The statistics page shows you how your company's mobiles are being used. The statistics are displayed in several forms to suit what you might want to find out. You can view usage trends by hour, day, week and month and select what date range to show. You can filter this by person, group or entire company and by what type of usage, so voice, data or SMS. You can view all of these by usage in the UK, EU or rest of the world like so. You can also download this data as required here. Under calls breakdown, you can see a pie chart filtered by person, group or the entire company and view the usage on predefined or custom date ranges over the last 6 months. This will show you what types of outgoing calls are being made on the service. Usage alerts can be set for a person. This can be done for multiple people at a single time by setting at group or whole company level. These can be configured from within the specific person or group areas under usage alerts in the top right, or the company-wide usage alert can be configured here. You can set a new threshold by clicking Create, select the type of usage you want to alert on and the limit that you want to set, then click Create. With the sliders, you can select at what usage percentage your users will receive a warning that they have hit the defined threshold. They will receive a second message when they reach the second threshold. Manage My Mobiles will notify you if anyone is excluded from the global usage alerts when you click Apply. It is important to note that if you override global alerts at group or person level, any future global alerts that are added will not apply to any group or person who has overrides. You can manage a new subscription by clicking Create. Choose who you want to be notified and how they should be contacted, then click Create. User management allows manager users to create new users and manage current users. Under the cog, you can change the role of a user between reporter and manager. You can create a new user or give an existing person within the company an account by clicking Create. If the person already exists on the company, select Existing Person and search for the person you wish to give an account to. Select their role and click Create. An invitation will be sent to that person with details on how to log in. Notifications are generated where a change is made to the mobile company. For example, when mobile phone numbers are added, when a service is suspended, and when international roaming is activated for a mobile number, and more. You can view all the notifications by clicking the bell on the top menu bar and selecting View All. You can also search for notifications here. To see all archive notifications, click the Advanced Search button, tick the Include Archive Notifications box, and then click Search.